Hello dear fans. Where the retina of the eye was grown from stem cells. A simple fragment of the retina, showing, nevertheless, a complex structure in the form of an eye cup, was obtained by a group of Japanese scientists. This technology of growing from embryonic stem cells can be useful in research and, in the long term, in therapy. The Center for Developmental Biology, located in the city of Kobe, with the assistance of the chemical corporation Sumitomo Chemical, participated in an experiment on growing multilayer human retina from stem cells. The journal Cell Stem Cell published the results of the work of researchers led by Yashiki Sasai. In the course of the study, scientists found that human embryonic stem cells can form the optic cup, that is, an intermediate structure that forms the retina of the eye during the development of the embryo. The optic cup, which was formed from stem cells, consisted of two layers. One of the layers of the resulting tissue contained a large number of light-sensitive cells, cones and rods. Since damage and degeneration of the retina occurs primarily in the destruction of these cells, such tissue can become an excellent material for transplantation. The eye cup, produced from mouse embryonic stem cells, was significantly smaller than that grown by Yashiki Sasai and colleagues from human stem cells. The study's authors believe that embryonic stem cells store internal instructions to differentiate into retinal prototype cells. Our work provides a better understanding of how the human embryo's eye develops, and also opens up a new path for the development of regenerative medicine, says Sasai. Although the discovery may provide an irreplaceable service in medicine, scientists have not yet solved the problem of connecting the resulting retina and optic nerve. For the restoration of eye tissues, stem cells of adults are also used. Australian scientists have managed to grow a population of stem cells on contact lenses. This invention has been used to regenerate the cornea of the eyes in patients. Thanks for watching.